To add currency to your Revolut account, follow these simple steps. Firstly, open the Revolut app on your mobile device and log in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your account dashboard, which displays your current balance and available currencies. Next, tap on the Add Money button, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Add Money page, where you can select the currency you want to add. Revolut supports a wide range of currencies, including major currencies like US dollars, euros, and pounds, as well as many others. To add a new currency, tap on the currency selector and choose the currency you want to add from the list. If the currency is not already in your account, Revolut will prompt you to add it. Once you have selected the currency, you will be asked to enter the amount you want to add. You can add money to your Revolut account using a debit or credit card, or by transferring funds from a bank account. If you are using a card, enter the card details and confirm the transaction. If you are transferring funds from a bank account, you will need to enter the account details and confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, the new currency will be added to your Revolut account and you will be able to use it to make payments, send money, or exchange it for other currencies. It is worth noting that Revolut may charge a small fee for adding money to your account, depending on the currency and the payment method used. To avoid any potential issues, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to add the new currency, and that you are using a valid payment method. Additionally, be aware of any exchange rates that may apply when adding a new currency to your account. By following these steps, you can easily add currency to your Revolut account and start using it to make payments, send money, or exchange it for other currencies. Revolut is a convenient and flexible way to manage your money, and adding currency to your account is a simple and straightforward process.